So this is the question that you are definitely going to get in the RHCSA exam, and it's a very simple question that you are going to solve it in 1 or 2 minutes. Number one thing to remember: tar ball, making a tar ball, making a compressed archive, right? This is the question. And simply know to compress a file or a directory, we use the command tar with options. So in the exam you are going to get two type of question, one of two type of question. Number one, make a compressed archive with gzip compression. Number one, if you get this, and the option is, the option we are going with the turbine CZVF. This is the option that we are going to use. Number two, make a compressed archive with bzip2 compression. If you get this one, so these are the option with the tar that we are going to use, tar hyphen CJVF. This is the option that we are going to use. So you will get either gzip compression question or bzip2 compression. First understand this. Number two, most important thing, this is the only question in RHCSA where you have to install a package of the compression before doing the question. This is important. For example, if you get gzip compression question, make a compressor at gzip, the package you are going to install is yum install gzip hyphen y, and then you're going to solve the question. Number two, if you get bzip2 compression question, the package, first you have to install a package yum install bzip2 hyphen y. After installing this, then you will go to solve the question. So we understand now what is that? We are going to get two type of questions: compressed archive with gzip compression. If that comes, we'll use tar with the option of CZZ, CZVF for a gzip compression. If the question is a compressed archive with bzip2 compression, we'll use the option tar hyphen CJVF. This is the command and the option that we are going to use, whatever question we are going to get. And if we get the gzip compression question, we will install the package gzip. If we get the bzip2 compression, we will install the bzip2. So now, for let's see, in the RHCSA you get this question. Let's understand this. Create a compressed archive of this file, okay, using tar with bzip2 compression. That means question number 13 is bzip2 compression. For sure, we have to install a package yum install bzip2 hyphen y, and the option, this is the first thing that we are going to do, and the option that we are going to use will be tar hyphen CJVF, right? So let's further understand. We are clear till now, that's good, clear. So we are clear, it's a bzip2 compression. First we are going to do yum install bzip2 hyphen y. This is the first thing that we are going to do. Secondly, I'll tell you how you're going to arrange the command. First thing is a bzip2 compression. After installing the package, we have already discussed the option with the tar that we are going to use is cjvf. That's it. First command, it's the command has three options. Number one, that is tar hyphen cjvf. Basically it's the tar command plus option. This is number one part. Second part is plus. Second part is two. Second part is the file name. The file name and place where you want to create a tarball. And third is the file or directory name that you want to compress. For example, we know tar hyphen cjvf is the option for bzip2 compression. Now what we have to do, we have to find out where the question is saying make a tarball and what is the name of the tarball. For example, it is saying that directory using tar with bzip2 store the archive under /home. So okay, we are going to store. That means they want to make us a archive ball that should be stored under /home by the name, with the name of what, local this. We'll copy it and here paste it. Okay, so we have got, look, this is the thing that I was referring to. First, tarball and option. Second, the place and the name of the tarball that you are going to make. And what is the third thing? Third thing is the file or the directory that you want to use to make a tarball. So read the question, create a compressed archive of this file. The question want to compress this file. So the file that you want to compress should come at the last. So first you see that is tar plus option. This is the command structure. Second, you see place plus name of the tar file, right? And third, you can see, let me arrange it bit, hopefully it will make sense. Okay, and the third you see path and paths slash name of the file to be compressed. So this is the structure of the command. Simple. First, I'll copy it. First, okay, let me copy this one. So you have to understand the question. When question comes, what you're going to do? You'll install the package, identify the options, and first the option tarball place, and you will hit enter. Right? After this, what you're going to do? You can run the command file or ls-ltr to verify this file is created or not. You will see it is created. Your question is complete. Let's do it with the other question. So create a tarball of /etc. So /etc is the directory home. We have to make a tarball. This file is used to make, this directory is used to make a compressed file. Okay, with gzip compression. Okay, the question is saying gzip, we have to install a package, yum install gzip -y. First thing done. Second thing, okay, so gzip, the option would be cjvf. That is done, for understood, sure. Now let's arrange the structure. We know the command c and cjvf. Now we need the second option, the name of the file, that of the tar file, and where we have to make it. Identify this one. Create a tarball of /etc. Okay. So we have to make a tarball slash etc. Third thing is we have entered this file will be used to make a tarball. What would the second option? Identify the name of the tarball. The name of the compressed archive is my.etc dot 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 tar.gz and should be placed in under root directory. Okay, so it should be placed under root. It should be placed under root, and it should be placed under root, and the name of the tarball is this one, my. So this is the total sequence, right? We have identified we need three options, 1 2 3. One, command and option. Second, the name of the tarball and place. Third, the file that needs to be compressed. Okay, we have got it. tar-czvf, okay, slash root, and this is the file, and we have to, what we have to do, slash etc. We have to make this one. Okay, we'll press enter and it is going to be compressed, right? And what you're going to do, if you further want to confirm that you made this file in the this distance, you will run the command file ls-, say this is compressed file. You got it. So this is a very easy compression if you know the structure. First, again repeat, install gzip or bzip to package as per question. Number 2, use the relevant option with tar. It could be number 1, tar-czvf for gzip, or number 2, tar-cjvf for bzip 2, right? This is the option that you're going to use. Third, you have to what you have to do, arrange tar-czvf. Second, the name of the tar file and place, and the third is file slash directory needs to be compressed. And after this, fourth is verify with ls-l or file command that compressed tar file is created, and your question is done. It's very simple, and I hope you understand. And if you are able to practice this one, you'll get 100% marks.